Hello there, everyone. It's early Friday morning, May 29th, but let's talk about the 28th, yesterday, Thursday, in the stock market. A couple interesting stories here developing I want to discuss in the winners, the losers, and the stocks that we watch in under 5 minutes. Let's see if we can do it. So, ARCA Biopharma, ABIO, putting up stellar Michael Jordan type numbers up between 200 and 400% like today. After hours trading, they're down to like 15.50 a share, but I expect this actually to go up tomorrow, and I'll tell you why. So this is a uh, really, as you can see, a micro cap company, only $31 million market cap, even with this huge run up today of from like 5 to 20 or whatever, and then hang out around 15. So COVID-19, the disease, is actually a blood disorder. It's the epith uh, epithelial cells, I believe. If you watch the doctors online, especially on MedCram, they're a great resource for what's really going on with the COVID-19 and how it negatively impacts the body. And so it's a blood disorder in its heart, and what's causing it, clotting and getting into the blood epithelial cells, I believe. I might be saying that wrong, but it's blood related. And this company here came up with anticoagulant or something type of way of dealing with the blood clots, and they got a special thing they're testing out. So there's something here, and you could see all day this thing was just scraping up, scraping up, scraping up. I saw it at 9. I'm like, it's going to go down. I saw it at 13. I'm like, it's going to go down. And it just kept going up and up all the way up to like 22 at one point. I think this goes up tomorrow simply because it's so small, and their potential for treating people with this type of, you know, this could do really helpful things in dealing with people that are on ventilators or keeping them off ventilators by stopping the blood problem before it causes more damage in the lungs and the heart and the liver and the brain, or all these places where we have ACE2 receptors. This is really intriguing. So I think this has legs to go up tomorrow. All right, now we're halfway through this video already. Anything else on the big winners list? Dollar Tree is a big cap. Dollar Tree had a really good day, up 11%. Other than that, wasn't too much. This Simulation Plus is interesting because they're doing molecular stuff. A lot of we're dealing with these health molecular companies that can potentially have big swings and big ups. Hertz down again. Is there anything on the down list we cared about? Hewlett Packard is the only large cap on there that had that bad of a day. I saw their CEO on Jim Cramer the other day. They sounded reasonable. I don't know what their potential is, who they're competing against, but that's tough to see. Everything else is really smaller micro caps here. Let's take a quick look at the stocks that we watch, and I want to talk about Twitter. So the stocks that we watch today, not a great day for most of them. Good for Travel Centers of America. Oh God, they are making a comeback. Everybody's driving, right? Not flying and driving. At least for now and for the summer, they are totally making a comeback. Another great day. Walmart up a little bit. Like, they're probably going to start creeping up when people remember that they're Walmart. Tesla down a little bit, but still doesn't want to drop below 800. Microsoft down a little bit and not doing much right now. Carriage Services, that's going to be crazy up and down. AT&T has a down day, but they're still over 31. They're still up for the last. If you look at the last week on these in the last minute, we can see that um, in this sense, the chart will pop up here in a second. I think you can see that AT&T will have better. Travel's been good. Carriage, I think, has been okay. Twitter is up and then down. Oh yeah, so Twitter. Talk about that. So president's like really throwing weird veiled threats at Twitter and stuff, but he needs them. They are a lifeline for him. Yeah, they were going up, and I think that they're going to pick right back up and keep going up as soon as they get through this, because I see their power increasing, and I'm willing to use them. And I'm kind of anti-social media in a lot of ways. YouTube I like, Google I like, Twitter I'm okay with because you can do what you want to do. Facebook I'm not okay with, and you don't see Facebook on here, and you really won't. So go Merck. Let's see if famotidine also works.